The topic we're going to be talking about today is lung cancer. So before we can begin talking about lung cancer, let's briefly discuss what cancer is. Your body is made up of organs such as your heart, lungs, and kidneys. These organs are made up of tissues, and tissues are made up of cells. Your body has trillions of cells. Cells divide and grow, and when they grow out of control, cancer can occur. When abnormal cells are found in the lungs, it is called lung cancer, and it is the second most common cancer. Lung cancer causes the most cancer deaths, killing more people than breast and prostate cancer combined. The good news is prevention can drastically affect your chances of getting lung cancer. So that is going to be our focus today. Your lungs help you breathe in fresh air and exchange gases. Knowing this helps explain the causes of lung cancer. The number one cause of lung cancer is smoking and is linked with 80% of lung cancer deaths. People who smoked in the past but are not currently smoking can get lung cancer as well. Other people who can get cancer or lung cancer have never even smoked before. You can be exposed to secondhand smoke, which is when you breathe in other people's smoke. Adults should help protect children from harm by not smoking near children. Other people are exposed to air pollution, or they work in jobs that expose them to chemicals such as radon or diesel exhaust. All of these things are harmful to breathe in day after day. In general, men have a 1 in 15 chance of getting cancer or lung cancer, and women have a 1 in 17 chance. There are some things you can do that increase your risk, which is some of the things we talked about earlier. Smoking is the number one thing that increases your chance of getting lung cancer. This graph here shows the different tobacco products that high school students use, with e-cigarettes being the number one product. You can also increase your risk by breathing in secondhand smoke, gas, and other chemicals like we talked about. Sometimes there are things that increase your risk of disease that you have no control over. In the case of lung cancer, this includes having members of your family that have had lung cancer or exposure to air pollution. When you keep in mind what our lungs help us do, it makes it easier to understand what lung cancer may look like. Lung cancer does not always cause symptoms, and oftentimes these symptoms are linked with things other than cancer. However, early detection of lung cancer can be helpful in treatment. So you should see a doctor if you have risk factors and experience any of these signs. The most common symptoms are a cough that won't go away or seems to get worse, coughing up blood, having pain in your chest when you breathe or you cough, feeling a hoarseness in your throat, feeling like you can't breathe well, or if you keep getting sick with things like pneumonia or bronchitis. Not all types of lung cancer can be prevented, but there are things that you can do to make it less likely that you will get it. Since smoking is the number one cause of lung cancer, the best thing you can do is not smoke or vape. If you are currently smoking, you can get help to stop. If you live with people who smoke, try to avoid breathing in their smoke. Eating healthy foods, especially fruits and vegetables, and staying active with exercise can lower your risk of lung cancer and help you live a healthy lifestyle. You can also help your friends not to smoke. Positive support from your friends is so important. It's important that you know help is out there. If you are currently smoking and you want to quit, you can talk to your parents or other trusted adults. There are also helplines that you can call for free support, texting services, apps that you can download, as well as social media links. I will give you a handout that includes this information so you can take it home with you. The steps you take today really can help you live a longer, healthier life.